Hello everyone and welcome to a brand new video. Today I brought you an absolutely amazing website. You can earn $11 from it every single week. All you really need to do is make sure you have an active LinkedIn account, and it's also important that you have at least 100 connections on that account. Finally, your account should be aged between 1 year and 3 or even 4 years old. The very first thing you'll need to do is connect your personal LinkedIn account directly to this particular website. Is that clear? You will be performing a reading of your LinkedIn account. Every week you will receive $11. Each week you will get $11 and withdraw it to Binance. If I receive comments or subscriptions, I will go ahead and launch this website. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in another one very soon.